叫快乐海鲜，我已经开了8年。这里叫中路了，有人叫美食街。这里快乐海鲜呢是专供海鲜哦，然后也有道地的土炒。我们这里的招牌菜有好像沙跑鱼，然后还有大飞机，还有螃蟹类这样哦。我们这里最出名的是忘不了鱼，也是全槟城卖的最便宜的。忘不了鱼最好是清蒸哦，还有它的最特色就是它的鱼鳞可以拿去炸，很脆，很好吃的。
Ginger and honey.
Ginger and honey.
Okay. Nice. Very fragrant. I smell sweetness. Oh.
The ginger chicken is like sweet and sour base. It's like appetizing and also a bit of sweetness. Second one,
This is fish yam.
Oh, this is
fish and yam.
fish and yam pot.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
ah,
You see, this is fish. This
yeah.
is
yeah,
yam.
yeah.
Yam. This was
Yam. Apple, and this is a pan.
Oh.
Apple pan.
เพชรไปนะโปะอาโป๊ะแปะ
Coated with very fragrant sauce.
Oh.
Garupa fish.
I think it's a seafood pot.
Sapo, clay pot.
I think no tofu inside. Oh, clay pot hor
Clay
fun.
pot hor fun. Hor
But
fun.
this is not a clay. This is
Big prawn.
stainless steel. And this is Oh, later I ask, what is this?
hor fun. Huh?
Oh, yes.
And still got the pork aroma. Sizzling pork.
Ayo, what burekono? What did he cut? What burekono?
Và
Tàu trang lù à?
garupa.
Garupa.
Được không?
Được lú gáo á?
Đó.
Bean paste fish fillet.
Kho cha tí.
This is classic flavor, and you have to be careful.
Wow.
In fact, with the chili padi, cái hang.
Best in Penang. You
Oh,
must
jeng
try.
jeng.
You
Fine.
must try.
Like come.
Yeah.
Look at that. Not here.
Này
Yes. So this is a mala kan gos here.
spice and numb prawn.
Nama.
Numb. Yeah, the prawn is very fresh. Hot and spicy.
Oh, 这个是咖啡鸡。
This is the coffee chicken cooked with coffee. Aromatic of coffee mixed with a bit of soy sauce.
这个是茄子豆腐，
This is
好吃
the,
好吃，Let's go。
this is the eggplant tofu, and the tofu is homemade egg tofu. Soft, melt in your mouth. Huh?
活的炒虾煮咖喱，我们的招牌菜之一。
来，把路这咖
咖
喱，
喱蝦，
咖喱嘅椒講啊，
啊
特別配配啊。
This is curry prawn. Must eat with rice. The curry is thick, fragrant, and the prawn is very fresh. You can see?